Okay, so I have this galvanized pot that I got at, I think this was at Walmart, and it was at, let me see. Oh yeah, this, no, is at Marshall's Home Goods for $12.99. And now what I'm trying to do is, because I'm gonna plant in it, I gotta put holes in it. So to do this, to put this hole, right here, you can see I started putting a hole in it already. But to put holes in it, you're gonna have to, I do two techniques. One technique is I use the hammer and nail. The other technique is I'm gonna use this drill. Now, I haven't said this before, but if you're gonna be gardening, you have to get familiar with some tools and not be afraid of them. So I have this drill, my Black & Decker drill, and I'm gonna go ahead and start like a pre-hole, like I've done here. Put a pre-hole in right here, and I'm going to do that now with the drill here. So have your glasses on, very important, your face shield glasses. That's a good idea. I took off my regular glasses because I thought they were my safety glasses, and now I have my safety glasses on. So again, like I said, make sure you have your safety glasses on, you have the drill properly mounted in here, and you're going to go ahead and you're going to just hold the drill. I like to stand up a little bit to give it a little pressure, and I'm going to drill it in. See? And I just make a little bubble, a little dimple. See? So I'm gonna make a few more of these dimples. Sometimes you get lucky and it works. It goes in all the way. So that's good. Okay, so we were very lucky because some of the times when I was drilling, it was going through. So that was good. So we were very lucky for that. But when it doesn't happen that way and we just get the little dimple, so I generally go with the old-fashioned way, which is using a nail and a hammer. And I like to use a galvanized nail because it's a little bit sturdier. And I just go ahead and put it in the dimple, use the hammer, and I just hammer it in to complete the hole. And I swiggle it around so the hole's open. But that's generally how I do it.